All right, how's this welding going?
It's team welding.
Team welding? All right, let's go.
Up, down.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Sounds really good, Nate.
Well, things are escalating in the shop. Jake is currently setting up a circle track here, or a figure 8 track.
Yeah. I think I think you gotta do right there, and then you gotta do a couple 360s around this guy.
Slowly as we progress, someone will definitely end up going to the hospital. So that'll be exciting. Anyways.
Make it 15, it's a deal.
No,
15,000 likes.
Fine, 15,000 likes, you get a tattoo of your mom on your ass.
Not like a mural, but like
like a pin. No.
How about this?
We'll shake on this deal.
Draw it up for you. So
it's got to be the heart with the little banner and a little arrow, and it says mom. 15
with 15 on there.
15,000 likes.
15,000 likes.
Stay tuned. If it gets 15,000 likes, we will be indeed filming that at the tattoo shop. So stay tuned for that. Dude.
We gotta build something to hold on.
We need to build a bracket.
Just
all
weld
you need
it.
is one bolt. There you go.
Wait, but how are you gonna keep it from spinning?
Yeah, just weld that other one right.
It'll naturally, Jake. It'll naturally slide to the top.
but then you have two different custom heights. You got, a little lower. You flip it around, you got higher, right?
Oh well, that's an issue. Drill it out. We're just full of ideas on this wheelchair shenanigans.
Next thing you know, it's gonna have tank tracks on it.
This is going fantastic. You're welcome for the amazing content tonight. Definitely doing good on that part. We're making some good progress on all the vehicles we should be working on, and instead working on wheelchairs.
Gotta have fun sometimes.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, we are now making some decent progress. Jake has got the tire we're going to use. And you went out and bought specific wheel spacers just to make this wheelchair work, Jake?
Yeah, so these are 5 by 4.5 adapted to 6 on 5.5s.
Don't leave
Toyota
them.
wheels. We had a set of Toyota wheels and tires ready to go, but we only had Jeep hubs.
This is a lot of money spent just for a wheelchair.
Don't stray, because he bought those off of Wish, so.
We are gonna try some redneck in here and
Define rednecking. Is that like a technique for welding, or?
Yeah, no face mask, no gloves, just straight, no shirt in it, just weld.
All right, we will update you when we make some more progress with this off-road wheelchair made by a professional. Progress update. We are now getting extremely haggard with some random pipe, and Jake's gonna weld it to the wheel bearing, right?
I think we're gonna try to weld something.
Just weld it right to it. It'll be fine. Okay, we're getting ready to weld it. What do you have to say for yourself? Are you trained professional at this?
I am
certified and everything?
Certified. We whistle and diesel. Like this.
Yeah, get it. Oh, yeah. Dude, she's turning out nice.
Oh, fuck yeah, look at that.
Yeah, get it. Just get
Fuck it,
You missed a couple spots.
Oh, dude, it's because you forgot to turn the
You're
gas
gonna-
on.
You're going to want to tack the other side.
Okay.
Just get in there and just kind of, get it. Yep. Oh, yeah. See, that's going to hold good. Does it hold?
Nope.
Oh, shit. Well, so much for your certification there. All right, update. What do we got going on here?
Just
Don't weld it. Yeah, you got to
gluing middles together with this here.
Minerals?
Gluing middles together.
Okay, so we got an aluminum piece of something, and then
That's aluminum black pipe.
Is this bronze?
Yeah, it's something like that. And then you just use the old middle gluer right here.
All right, let's go ahead and give her a send.
Right, Jake, get in this way.
Oh.
Oh, his chair's on fire.
See, this is how we ensure the heat treat process works adequately.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You want to make sure to heat treat your aluminum and bronze once you've stuck them together. All right, how's this welding going?
It's team welding.
Team welding? All right, let's go.
Up, down.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Sounds really good, Nate. Oh, shit. It looks pretty damn good.
Which ways you got to go, Nate?
Going up, to the left.
Oh, here we'll do it through the camera. All right, go.
Throwing to my left, not your left.
Which way? There's a
I
delay.
can't
There's a delay in the. Oh shit!
I think that's good. Oh, fuck. Let's
build her out.
Look at all.
Okay, what do we got here? We got a piece of tubing. It's not actual aluminum. It's just regular steel. And then we got the hubs on each end. The wheel bearings.
We all know
Fucking warm. Who
Justin's
did
good
that?
at here zip tying stuff up, so
Yeah.
we're just gonna
Yeah.
zip tie this axle.
Don't worry,
together.
Cassie. This is not another gift. That's not gonna fit, Jake. You're gonna have to put the other one.
You gotta double them up.
Why don't you grab the right?
Where's the
zip
long-
tie?
Just fucking weld it.
Where's the long ones?
Yeah, why are we even dicking around with this?
Alright, just weld it.
This
Do what you
video is gonna be some serious editing.
Alright, so we're skipping the zip ties and what are we going to use now?
We're gonna use lightning glue.
We're gonna grab the lightning.
Do you want to explain to the viewers what lightning glue is?
Basically, it's a bolt of lightning that just glues it together.
So that's a
This
lightning
TIG
gluer?
welder thing right here.
Oh, we're going to TIG glue it?
Yeah, I think that's
TIG
what they call
lightning
it.
gluer?
I think this thing is called a TIG welder.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sweet. I think I have one of
lightning glue
those.
Or lightning glue gun.
Alright, well, what is that thing you're using? Is that the...
That's the nipple clamp.
Oh, that's not the activator for the glue?
That's the heat.
It's the part of the two-part.
Okay.
Two-part epoxy.
It's like two-part epoxy.
So how many hours do you have to wait before the glue sets up on this?
About
It's
30
instant.
seconds.
Dude, look at how straight that is. Oh, no, it's straightening up. Oh, this thing's looking sweet.
I got 3 on my
So,
side. This will turn out way too good.
why are we not putting the mud tires on it? I will say it's sitting a little bit leveler, more level with these. Level-ah.
Yeah, we'll have to get some wheel spacers on
The vehicle is sitting level-ah
We'll have to put these big old mutters on there.
on the front.
On the
Ooh,
front,
yeah.
yeah, we'll have-
We got the new wheels and tires on the wheelchair. Don't you dare. So, we're making progress. Well, actually, we're not. We're done with the progress. It's all the way finished. So we just got some tubing, some hubs, and we just... Those are very quality welds, Jake. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom... I'm gonna zoom the camera in on those so you can really see the quality. That was Jake, just so everyone's aware. Same guy that's getting the tattoo. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Wheelie it!
Oh jeez. This thing's awesome. Oh man.
Yes!
It's a bit burly. Alright, see if you can jump it.
Oh.
That's what we're on to now. What do you think? Is it take more work?
It moves pretty damn good. We got some speed. No brakes though.
Do you think it's gonna build your muscles up with the bigger ters?
Yes, sir.
That's always good.
Gonna get ripped.
The wife is gonna be happy. The axle's holding up great.
Give her a wheel.
This is a perfect idea, Jake.
How will it do down a hill?
Let's go over to the
Hey, there's a hill right over there, Jake. We can go try it out.
Pushing down 21st Street.
Ooh, that would be good. Oh! Yeah, we definitely need to take this to a hill. How fast can you go? Oh, geez, he's ripping. Oh. It's a bit bulky.
Work out.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh, jeez. Oh, you take over? What do you mean take over?
It's gonna fall.
Autopilot fucking off.
How do you do that? It's like hitting 100 miles an hour in a vehicle and just said, all right, you're up, guy in the passenger seat.
Here's the wheel.
Well, what do you think of the new wheelchair?
I think it was a bit of a waste of a wheelchair, but it's fun.
What do you mean? This is going to be great content once we go put it down a hill.
What part's gonna be the good content?
Oh! You are such a dick, Jake.
Oh, there popped the back in place there.
All right, guys.
Look how easy it is back.
Drop a comment down below if you want to see Jake send this down a massive hill, if he can make it. You game for that?
I mean, I'll give it a shot.
What do you guys think? For the next wheelchair video, do you want to see us take this one and get another one and weld it up top so we have the lower guy and the top guy, and we go from there?
Back so it doesn't fall over.
If we do this, we're gonna need you guys to send us wheelchairs.
Yes, if you
Rob your
have
homeless people.
if you have spare wheelchairs, send them to us and we'll put them to good use, making, I don't know, random
Narrow
wheelchair
ones work
things.
the best.
The what?
We like the narrow ones.
Yes. Yeah, the Fat Man wheelchairs are just like, they're a bit bulky. We don't have that kind of arm length. All right, guys. That's going to be it for the wild shenanigans tonight. It was a good night making wheelchair stuff. We got some more ideas we're thinking of.
Next time we'll LF swap one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe, probably not, but
And
it's a
maybe
good
make
it's a
a
good
barstool
thought. So
racer.
maybe we will.
But
Make
on a
sure.
serious note, I mean, this thing's still usable.
It is. It's
Yeah.
definitely. It's a bit
Still
bulky.
wheelie, it's-
You're gonna have to store it somewhere, but
Yeah,
that'll be
it's
fine.
rough.
You're gonna have to get a secondary shop for all the wheelchair
Yeah.
vehicles we build.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
I mean,
Make sure
yours,
to
and there's always ours.
make sure to smash that like button if you like the wheelchair video, or if you want to see more of our shenanigans when we're just hanging out doing nothing, making no progress on actual things that matter.
Our actual projects.
Also, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. We have a bunch of stuff coming this next year, so that'd be cool so you don't miss anything there. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!
Happy New Year's.